Welcome to episode 25 of On Our Bike, Kawhia to Port Waikato over 2 days. It was a cloudy and windy day with sprinkles of rain. We're on our way to Port Waikato and we just sort of come around the bend and saw these amazing rock structures. Again, reminds us very much of the pancake rocks at Punakaiki. I don't think the GoPro is going to do it any justice, to be honest with you. I'll have a look when I edit. I haven't filmed anything today because The scenery is same but different to everything we've seen so far, and I don't really know how I'm going to edit what I've already got. Oh, there's a tiny little waterfall, water coming out over here. Wow, pretty. And there's more rocks just a little bit further up the road. Quite incredible. I have a feeling that the coast here is known for limestone, but I could have just been making that up.
So a couple of years ago we were filling up with fuel on the Raglan to Auckland Road, and the chap at the petrol station told us we should come to Port Waikato because of the stunning rock formations and the caves. So this trip we made sure we did, and what a pleasant surprise. The roads were awesome, the gravel roads were also awesome but a little bit slippery, and it just made the whole trip fantastic. As we were driving around, you just keep thinking you need to stop and take some photos or take some drone shots, and round the next corner it just gets better and better.
This is amazing. We've just sort of stopped for a photo opportunity. I don't know how the the GoPro's going to be looking at it from the back of the bike, and I thought I'd just do a quick sort of pan around because the rock formations are brilliant.
You always know on these roads when you're about to be passed by a local, because they zoom up from behind you at 1,000,000 miles an hour and sit right up your butt. You can't shake them because the roads are too windy and you don't know where you're going, so you just put up with it and they just get closer and closer.